Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the total consecutive up and down indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the total consecutive up and down indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 322 indicators, and out of those 322 indicators, 131 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 131 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so today's indicator is the total consecutive up and down indicator. This is a custom indicator, but it's I believe I've either pulled this one up and looked at it before, or possibly we tested one that was very similar to this one. I mean, we've tested 300 and some odd indicators at this point, and so it gets kind of hard to remember every single one. But it seems like I've seen one like this or similar to it, and so if we've tested one like this before, it's possible it may be, this one might be very similar or identical. So nonetheless, we're going to give it a test and see what we can get out of this one. And so basically what we have here is these green bars that climb as trend basically climbs or volume climbs. And so we have this yellow dotted line here, which I believe I'm actually going to turn this into a solid black line like that. Just makes it a little bit easier to see when these bars actually pop up over top. Won't worry about changing the bars at all. They're a little faint, but nonetheless, what we are looking for is a green bar to rise above this black line, or a red bar to rise above this black line. When a green bar rises above, that's going to be a signal to go long. When a red bar rises above, that's going to be a signal to go short. And so relatively simple setup on this, not a whole lot to it. That's how we will be testing it today. And so let's go ahead and get on with the testing. See what we can get out of this. All right, so we pick up our first signal right there. Looks like it was a winning trade, but just want to double check on this really tall wick right there. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm going to call this one a losing trade. Even though this did drop this candle right here, the following candle after the signal, it did drop down to 243 pips, but I'm not sure if it shot up here first and created this upper wick, or if it jumped down, shot down first, created the lower wick. And so to be safe, I'm going to call it a losing trade and assume that it went up before it went down. That way we can try to stay a little bit more honest here, not just fudge the numbers. Then we pick up a long signal right there. That one does really decent. Definitely getting us to take profit on that one. Then a short over here on this side. Again, that one is going to get us to take profit. Then another short right there. Still playing this one out. Yep, got that to take profit as well. Long over here. I don't know if that one got us to take profit. Let's measure this out. 135. Nope, barely missed take profit. Then it worked its way down. Definitely stopping us out there. Then we pick up a short signal right there. Looks like it was right as we got this heavy pullback and not quite stopping us out. But there, it did start to go back down, but then popped its way back up. That definitely would have hit the stop there. Continue on with this here. Pick up a short right there, but it kind of runs into some consolidation. Doesn't quite stop us out, so good. And then it does end up tumbling down there, getting us to the take profit. Long signal right there, and that one shoots up nicely, also getting us to take profit. So far we're doing pretty decent with this one. Long signal right there, and another winning trade. Try to speed this up a little bit here. Don't want the video getting too long, but I don't really want to clip any of it out at this point. So we pick up a short over here. That one's going to get us to take profit. Looks like another short right there, but that one took place right as we got this heavy pullback that popped its way up. So that one would have stopped us out. We get a long right there. I don't think that would have gotten us to take profit. Nope. So that one would have gotten stopped out. Then we pick up a short right there. Let's check the number here. Didn't quite hit our stop. And then it does eventually make its way down. Then we pick up one more short signal right about there. Oops, mark this one here as well. There we go. All right, so that does it for the end of the year there. So now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly suggest that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link down below to our Patreon. It is super cheap, doesn't cost hardly anything at all. Posting a lot of really great information in the Patreon only channel, some advanced information. We also have a relatively lengthy list of a lot of the winning indicators that we have tested that are for the MT platforms. Our admin Jay has built that list out pretty decently, and so if you use the MT platform quite a bit, then that could be very beneficial to you as well. Our admins and the regular members are posting almost a daily trade analysis, market analysis. And so again, they are posting screenshots, trade ideas, and market analysis with some really good markups, giving you a wonderful kind of look into the ideal market conditions that you should be looking for if you're dialing in a trading strategy or just kind of trying to train your eye to see those ideal market conditions. They're growing small accounts rather quickly, posting profits and stuff like that, screenshots of profits and stuff. So really decent, wonderful, positive environment to be involved with. So like I said, whether you're a new trader or an experienced trader, it's a great place to be. So, all right, let's take a look at the indicator here. Let's count these out and see what we get out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we have 15 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 winning trades. And so that is going to meet the 60% criteria. This indicator I did like, seemed a little bit slow at times. Definitely didn't get us in at the perfect position all the time, but a really decent indicator nonetheless. Not bad at all. And so this one's definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.